Welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. How to cleaning electrical socket for terminals. Do you have a 1 or 3 phase socket that looks like it is dirty? Like this. That's why I teach you how to wash the socket with soap and water. This job looks very simple, but you have to be careful with electricity. You have seen that the socket is very dirty and I need to clean it immediately. I do this now by unscrew the two ball with a screwdriver and pushing the grounding downward. And the socket is opened. Let's see if it is dirty inside or needs cleaning. And I will do a cleaning on this socket. And I have taken a basin of the clean water and add some liquid soap. And shaking the water which I have mixed with the soap. And then put the object or material to be cleaned into the basin. Use a paintbrush to clean the parts that are difficult to reach by soap. I really believe that everyone can do this, especially children aged 17 and over. To save, you can also do this instead of buying a new socket. Take clean water about a gallon. Insert the socket into clean water, then rinse while cleaning it with a brush. Take a hairdryer and spray it into the socket, or you can also dry it in the direct sunlight. What you have to remember is that the terminal socket must not be wet. We will install two balls in this socket and we will return to the way they were before. This stage is not long. It is very concise and fast. Thank you for watching.